Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back to our channel, Sri Harsha Innovative School. As I told you yesterday, today we are going to start our summer 30 days challenges. So, we are ready with our first challenge. Are you guys ready? Okay. So, before to start this challenge, let me give you the clear and important instructions regarding this challenge. The points are regards to how the question types will be like, and the second one is on what basis we are going to select the winners, and the third and the most important point is where you need to send your answers. Okay, so let me give you the clear clarity about these questions. So for coming to the first point, we are going to give you very easy pattern questions. Okay, so you need to listen to the questions carefully and then you need to answer. Second point, coming to the winners, we are going to select the winners in the two categories. The one is the fastest responses, and the second one is three correct responses. Okay, so the answer patterns will be in two. One is the fastest response winner, and the second one is the three correct response winner. Okay, so hope you got the clarity about the second question. Coming to the third question, it's a very important thing. Listen to me carefully. While we are going to ask the questions what we have asked, you need to write the answers on a paper, and then you need to take a picture of the answers, and then you need to send answers via WhatsApp. Okay, so hope you got the clear clarity about the instructions I have given to you. Now come to the most important point. So whatever the task you're doing now, this is the first task. The answers you are sending through WhatsApp is for only for this task, and for every task the answer pattern will be different, and you need to send the answers in the different patterns too. Oh, okay. Okay, hope you all got the clarity about this. Now, let's get started. Are you guys ready? Okay, dear students, please get up and be ready with a pen and paper in 2 minutes. Okay, are you guys ready? First, all of you write the name and the class on the paper. And next, in this round, you're going to have about 5 questions. And now, write down 1 to 5 numbers on the different lines for the clarity. Okay? I hope you guys are ready. So here comes the first question. Shall I? Okay. So when is our second lockdown will be ended? You need to write the date. That means you when the second lockdown will be ended, you need to mention the date. The particular date you need to mention in the answer. Okay? Okay. Here comes the second question. Who is the hero in the recently released movie Sarileru Neekevaru? You need to write the name of the hero. Okay? Means you need to mention the hero's name in the answer. Okay, here comes the third question. So, on which app or website you are watching this video? You need to write the app name or the website. Means you need to mention the clear about the app name or website, the video what you are watching now. Okay, hope you get the clarity. Here comes the fourth question. This is a Pictionary question. Take a look at the picture and write down the name of the word. I'm going to show the picture of a Pictionary question. So by based on that picture, you need to write the answer. Okay? Okay. Here comes the fifth question. When we talk about pro sports and cricket, what is the short form of Indian Premier League? Means you need to write the short form of Indian Premier League. Okay? So here is the WhatsApp number where you need to send the picture of your answers through WhatsApp to us. So the number is 7382000025. Anyway, here completes our first task. Hope you all had a great time in doing this task. And now it's time to check your answers and also wait for the winner of this task. And also, it's time to wait for the exciting prizes. Anyway, thank you. And yeah, please be ready for the next coming exciting challenges and tasks. And until then, stay tuned to our channel Sri Harsha Innovative School on YouTube. And also, please follow on our social media apps named Instagram and Facebook so that you're going to get the latest updates of the tasks and also for the winners we are going to announce. Take care. Bye.